Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Sign ng Libra with the Air Elements. Lala Baby, nagpapakilala, isang like, subscribe, and share lang po. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng July. Okay? So, this is general po, hindi po ito personal ha. If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby, okay? So, tingnan natin ang inyong tinatawag na energy, okay? Doon tayo sa tinatawag na your past, your present, and your future, okay? What your future holds for you. Is the past already done or tinatawag your past is still nako-continue pa rin sa tinatawag na your present, okay? A time for healing, balsamic moon, okay? So whatever is this, it's like tinatawag, ano man nangyari sa inyo, ito ba sa nakaraan or a few, let's say sabihin na natin na recently, okay? Ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na, huwag mo nang pahirapan ang sarili mo, okay? Hindi ka liligaya. Remove it. Alisin mo ito sa system mo, okay? Yan. Surrender yourself to God. Surrender your problems. Surrender your loss. Surrender your pain to God. Diba? At magkaroon sana ito ng healing. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, it has something to do, okay? Sa tinatawag na the nine, okay? The nine of pentacles. Diba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, you are working hard maybe for you, diba? Ano itong desire mo, your goals, your mission, di ba? You are working hard para marating mo ang ituktok ng tagumpay, di ba? It's like tinatawag harvesting, harvest, yan, no? Harvest your success, harvest your fruits, your abundance, di ba? Yan, no? Nakikita dito, tapos na, di ba? Yan. It's like sabihin na natin ang laban mo sa buhay mo is narito na. It's like rip your tagumpay, rip your fruits, di ba? Rip, tinatawag it's a harvest time, di ba? It's like nakikita naman dito, maybe sabihin na natin it's something to do about your name, your reputation, di ba? So, maaring for some of you, tinatawag na you have no more hatred, okay? You have no more, di ba? You have no more, sabihin na nating, you are not, parang hindi ka na remorseful, di ba? Something like that. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, you are freeing yourself, you free yourself. It's like you learned your lesson, di ba? So it's about time, tinatawag na harvesting, okay? The good deeds. It's only good deeds, okay? Yan. Not the bad, okay? Kung itong mga, let's say from the past to the present na ginawa mo, okay? Kabutihan, di ba? Okay? So, let's see your other energy, okay? Maaari ito'y sabihin na natin, matagal ka nagtrabaho, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin, ayan, no? Malaki na yung ipon ko sa bangko, di ba? Malaki na yung aking, sabihin natin sa investment, maaari din, di ba? Nag-invest ka. Where do you invest your time, okay? Your body, your intelligence, saan mo in-invest? Bakit mayroon dito tinatawag, it's time to harvest. Yan ha, okay? It's like you seems very happy naman, di ba? It seems wala ka naman dito yung tinatawag na mga, dito, yan ha? Wala ka ng kalungkutan, wala kang hatred, wala. Yan, no? Mari dito, ini-invest mo bagong pangalan, di ba? Your name, di ba? It's like ang hirap bago makagawa ng pangalan. Ang hirap bago makagawa ng reputasyon, di ba? So, narito ang the Five of Wands, di ba? So it's about blessings coming, yan, no? The energy of blessings is coming your way. No more competition. It's more about reaping. It's more about harvesting. Okay? Yan. Diba? So, titingnan natin saan. Okay? Ano ang ha-harvestin mo dyan? Oh, okay. The King of Wands. Diba? So, nakikita dito, it's about your spirituality. Diba? Yan. So, it's about your alignment to God. Diba? It's about your faith. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na your discipline. You have discipline. Okay? Kasi ito yung tinatawag na God and spirituality. Diba? So, it's about your body and your spirits. Ibig sabihin nito, nagkaroon ng tinatawag discipline, di ba? Determination. It's about your discipline, determination, focus, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, bakit ito haharbisin mo? It's because of your relationship to God. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na spirituality because of your faith, di ba? Yan. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, without God, diba, hindi mo ito mahaharvest, diba? Because of God, because of your alignment sa Panginoong Diyos. So, ibig sabihin nito, it's time for harvesting. Okay, yan. Ay, maganda naman. Okay, maganda. So, let's see. Okay. You're very grounded. Diba, nakikita dito. You're at peace. You have success. It's about your success, di ba? It's about your tinatawag na foundation. Kakaroon ng strong foundation, security. Di ba? It's like palaging nagliliyab ang inyong mga puso, di ba? It's like punong-puno kayo ng pag-ibig. Kanino kayo punong-puno ng pag-ibig? Sa asawa nyo? Sa pinagtatrabaho, sa trabaho mo? Dito? O kaya sabihin na natin sa Diyos, di ba? Yan. Kung kaya dito, it's like what you are manifesting, what you are inviting is nakukuha mo because of your tinatawag relationship sa God, di ba? Okay? Very, very grounded. It says something to do about determination because you are determined para makuha what you are manifesting, okay? Tuman ay pera, yan no, makukuha mo. Okay? So, your next, sandali, lumabas ito. Sandali. Your energy. Ba't ga lumabas na agad ang tinatawag na the Ace of Spades? It's about mind, okay? It's about your action, your mind, okay? What you are manifesting, what you are creating, ibig sabihin nito, is with the help of God, yan, ibibigay sa iyo or ipagkakaloob sa iyo. Okay? So, may mga stalker kayo. Okay? Yan. Kayo ba nang i-stalk o may talagang nang i-stalk sa inyo? Okay? Dahil lumabas itong tinatawag na the Ace of Spades. Okay? Maaring ini-stalk kayo sa social media. Okay? Or tinatawag, it's a group of people ang nakikita ko dito. Maari ito'y society, maari ito'y tinatawag na mga pwede rin namang relatives mo, your siblings, di ba? Yan, oh. Ini-stalk kayo sa social media, okay? So, what's going on? It's like tinatawag, they are very, very interested. Yan, no? Kita mo dito yung mukha niya. Stalking, watching, obsessed. Masyado silang obsessed sa inyo, di ba? Yan, no? They are silent stalkers, silent viewers, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na hindi sila nagsasalita. Yan, hindi nila nire-reveal ko sino yan. Hindi mo lang alam. Okay? It's like, very, very interested sila. Okay? So, ano man itong pinopost mo, maaari sa social media, sinishare mo, di ba? Maybe pictures, maybe videos, di ba? Okay? Maybe you are, tinatawag, sabihin na nating pinopost mo ang iyong mga jewelries, bahay, o kaya syota mo, asawa mo, di ba? What you are posting, di ba? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag, absorb sila. Kaya baka sabihin, nagsusulat ka, pinablish mo sa social media, absorb sila. Okay? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, masyado silang absorb sa energy ninyo. Okay? Your next, toil and labor. Okay? It's about your hardship. Okay? It's about your hardship. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, kasi dito na siya, di ba? Okay? Kung ano itong pinaghihirapan mo, di ba? It's like, you put your heart and soul, okay? Your mind. Yan, no? Kasi narito ang tinatawag na God and spirituality. Di ba? It's about God and spirituality. Yan, no? Titingnan ko lang, saan yan? It's like you believe in tinatawag na when you put, it's like, halimbawa nagtanim ka, no? Kung bibigyan mo lang, it's about your religiously. Halimbawa nagtanim ka ng kamatis, religiously, binibigyan mo ito ng araw. Religiously, binibigyan mo itong tubig, fertilizer, everything. Di ba? Kaya dito lumabas God and spirituality. Di ba? God and your spirituality. Okay? So, ayan. Ibig sabihin, the outcome. Yeah? You will reap abundance. Di ba? Yan. So, it's like, kung ano ito, di ba? Heart and soul, inilalagay mo. You are determined because you know, di ba? Na what you are manifesting, what you are inviting, creating, what you are doing, God is with you. Kaya dito nakikita mo, palaging nagliliyab ang iyong tinatawag your faith, di ba? Your faith, yan. Hindi napapaknit, hindi nag-ember, hindi bumabagsak, palagi itong nagliliyab. Okay? So maganda ha. Yan, ibig sabihin nito ay tagumpay. Yan, no? Ibig sabihin niya, kaya narito yan, okay? It's like tinatawag, matatapos na rin, di ba? Ang iyong pagiging farmer, it's like you're a farmer, di ba? You're a worker, sabihin na natin, you're a father, a mother, a teacher, di ba? Yan. So what you are, it's like tinatawag, teka, mag-iipon ako for my future, di ba? Mag-iipon, it's like tinatawag, harvesting na, no? Harvesting na ito, ha? Okay? It's about your future. Yan. O, kita mo na. Kita mo, nag-double confirmation ang tinatawag na 9. The 9 of Pentacles. Diba? Okay? So, ano ibig sabihin itong the 9 of Pentacles? It's about tinatawag na this is my quest to follow the stars. Diba? Impossible dreams. Okay? So, what you are tinatawag na ayan, kita mo. What you are manifesting, attracting towards you, yan. Ibig sabihin ito ay success. Yan, It's about your future. Your future is looking bright. Diba? Yan, looking bright. Napakaganda ng inyong reading. And I'm happy for you. Bravo, Libra. Yan, This is your quest to follow the stars. Diba? It's like tinatawag, you are climbing the Kilimanjaro. You are climbing the top of Everest. At ito na siya. Mapapagtagumpayan mo ito. It's more about harvesting. Okay? Yan. Your name, your reputation. Has it something to do about marriage, success of your marriage, children, or is it something to do about your money, your profession, retirement, diba? Your dreams. It's all about your dreams because of your faith and spirituality. Okay? Faith is everything para sa mga mahal na Libra.